Let's talk a little bit about our first hurdle. When I looked into everything with the house, you were super excited. It had a metal roof, and the numbers checked out because they said the metal roof is only 8 years old. But then
no paperwork.
Zero paperwork.
And we both tried to call and find out, and there's no records of when the roof was even put on. I mean, it looks fairly new, but that doesn't. Most likely, they did it without a permit.
And
so,
yeah, there was no permit either.
Yeah.
So first hurdle was house insurance. There's this huge thing going on right now in Florida. So even if you see a metal roof on there, unless there's something, any kind of documents, and
you have to have the documentation
to prove the age of the roof. So my first quote back was $4,000 a year. So remember, your mortgage is taxes plus insurance. And so this is a huge component of
your roof is a big thing in Florida because of the hurricanes and stuff. You've got to have a good roof. They want to know that you have the tie downs up there and all the stuff that's supposed to be done. And if they don't have, if it wasn't done with a permit, they don't know that it was done right. You know.
Exactly. And so Anastasia called, I called, you called. How many, like...
A lot of calls. We've been on the phone a lot. I think I lost my voice at one point.
But we finally got it figured out, and you called me back with some good news that the insurance company told you.
Yeah, they did say that once the inspector comes out here and he goes over everything, we will get some discounts for, like, once he checks the wind mitigation, stuff like that, and also outside the crawl space is exposed, and if we get that covered, that changes a lot on the insurance. That's a big deal apparently, because critters can get under there and mess up your stuff, and that's not good.
So stay tuned. We'll let you know once we have more on the insurance, because as of right now, we did manage to get insurance, and the only people we could get it with is
citizens. Yeah. Until we do the skirting thing. Once we do that, we open up the doors for other places. So, yeah.